These are hailstones. They just did damage to our store. You can see some of the lights up there. They actually are broken. My car's received some damage. It's got little bumps and dents and all over it. You probably can't see too well, but you can see some of the damage. Another car is looking at the screen. See that? Broken glass. I can't believe we didn't lose power, like. Probably not smart to park under a tree either. The tree will do a lot more damage than a couple of hailstones. Look. Look at that up there. I don't know if you can see that. Those are our neon lights, they're all broken. The hailstones put some holes in that. Corner stretch. He's trying to get out of it as well. Yeah. Come take a look at this. Come take a look at this. That's not good, we just had all those repaired.
What is that for?
They're not cheap.
What are they? What are they?
They're the fluorescent lights.
Oh, all the way up there,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
Hey, you got car crash, did you?
Yeah, I know windscreen though. Okay, I'm going to end it here, I've got to take some more video.